Good morning. This is the continuation of the play The Bear, written by Anton Chekhov. Discuss the character of Popova. Popova is the general character of the play. A thorough study of the play demonstrates that Popova is not sincere in her love for her late husband. She proclaims that she would continue wearing mourning dress till her last breath. Luca, her old servant, tries his best to convince her that she would give up her mourning and be joyful in her life. Popova insists to continue her mourning in the memory of her late husband. She thinks that life has lost all its meaning for her since the death of her husband. She declares that although her late husband was insincere and loved other women in her presence, she would be true in her love till her death. Luca also suggests to her to remarry as she is still young and still attractive with rosy cheek. But she turns down his suggestions bluntly. Later on, we see that when Semino, a Russian landlord, expresses his love to her, she lets him kiss and embrace and readily accept his offer for marriage. Now it is obvious that Popova is not sincere in her love for her late husband. She is in fact in search of a wealthy and prosperous prey who can claim her hand. As soon as she finds such person, she at once forgets all her vows and pledges regarding her love for her late husband and willingly accepts Semino's offer for marriage for enjoying the joys and pleasure of life again. It shows that she is fickle-minded like other ladies. Discuss the character of Semino. Semino is a middle-aged landlord. He is a very intelligent and clever man. He knows how to make his way in the world. He knows the psychology of a woman. That is why he is not disturbed by the hostile attitude of Popova. He knows how to handle her. Semino has no respect for others. He openly contemns Popova's husband. He does not mind speaking indecently about the dead man. His conversation with Popova is not polite. He seems to have no manners, but actually he is very clever. Semino wants to achieve his objectives and he knows that is the best way to achieve it. Woman likes a bold and outspoken man, so Semino deals with her as Semino is a man of the world and a businessman. He is very much like the heroes of Bernard Shaw. The delightful humor of speech and action in the play owes its origin to the odd speech and manners of Semino. Even in a furious mood, his speech carries a note of humor because his fury is the fury of a foolish man. We cannot help smiling at his irritation. Semino behaves like a fool, but he is not really a fool. He is rather a sure businessman who pretends to be a rude, entreating fool. Popova is really taken in by his trick. He knows that she will fall for it. She pretended to be angry, but in fact she likes the bold manner of Semino. So we see that Semino succeeds in his purpose. What is Luca telling Popova? Popova is a young lady whose husband has died 7 months ago. She is mourning and wearing black dress. She has done every relation with the outside world and is confined to the four walls grave of her room. He has a servant named Luca. Luca is very sincere to his mistress and he has deep concern for her welfare. As the play starts in Popo's drawing room, Luca is trying to convince his mistress to abandon her prolonged mourning and come out of her cocoon of so-called grief. He tries to make her realize that she is wasting her life. He rightly says that one cannot die with the death. People come and go, but life goes on. He tells her that she was still young and beautiful and could easily settle down in her life by marrying a young officer. She should take interest in life and its pleasures. She should go out and see other people. These words of Luca produced a very irritating effect on her and she asked him not to talk to her in that way because she can never think of leaving her husband's memory and that she would remain true even to his grave. Thank you. Thanks to all.